Larry from Belleville has questions about moisture on his floor.
Well, it's coming up from underneath his wood floors, Tom. As you can see here, he sent this picture in to show us. And Larry writes, it's in a 100-plus-year-old pier and beam home in Belleville. And it happens after a heavy rain. It's definitely coming from underneath. I don't see any standing water under the house, and the house has been recently leveled. It's in about 4 spots in the house and only the front portion of the house. And he says there's plenty of ventilation. Sounds like a mystery to me.
It is a mystery, and I don't know if I'm getting all the specifics that I need, but here's the key to the question. It happens when it rains. So I assume it's going to be a drainage problem. Now, it could be some kind of sweating issue because when it rains, the humidity is so high. I don't know, and I doubt he has it, but I want to throw this out anyway. If you have your air conditioning system set in a floor in a home this old, which he might, because it originally might have had the heater in the floor, and so they retrofitted it with the air conditioner too. You could get sweating on the ductwork, you could get sweating on the refrigeration lines, or you could get sweating on plumbing lines if they're really cold and it's hot out and it's humid. So I would definitely take a look at the fact that maybe it has something to do with the rain, but not the rain itself. The other thing is if it does happen after heavy rains and he notices it really badly, there's water, whether it's standing or not, it's getting under the home. And that's when you get a licensed irrigator, a drainage specialist to come out and really take a good look at it. Maybe someone's going to have to go out in the rain to take a look at it also to see what's happening. But it's got to do with the rain and some kind of humidity issue, whether it's a sweating issue or a drainage issue.
All right. You got a question for Tom? He loves the stumpers. Go ahead and send those to us. Visit HomeShowRadio.com, fill out the Ask Tom form, send it in, and we'll answer it just like we did that. Of course, we post them every day. There's a new one posted every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube page, and at HomeShowRadio.com.